Hi guys, my name is Vanessa and thanks so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm back with my second look. I filmed this purple pink eyeshadow look for you guys, which I think perfectly reflects the sunny day outside. So if you like it, please keep on watching. Bye-bye. So guys, with this look you want to start with your eyes first because you don't really want any fallout coming onto your face. So the first thing you want to do is start with the eyeshadow and then put foundation and concealer and everything like that on. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your concealer and you want to prime your eyelids. So you're just gonna put some concealer, not too much, onto your eyelid. Onto your eyelids, I should say. Okay, and then you just blend it out. Great. Now instead of putting purple straight onto the eyelid, what I do is I take a transition color. So I take like a blending brush, which is a bit thicker. And I take my MUA palette, which looks like this. And I take kind of a brown color to blend towards. So I would pick this one here. And what I do is I just put it into the crease. So like this. This is the W7 palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm just gonna put it all over the eyelid. So now that you have kind of a nice purple base on your eye, you wanna take a darker color. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna dip it into these two colors and this one. So these two corner colors. I'm gonna dab it off a bit and just put this onto the corner. If you feel like the crease is getting a bit too dark, you can always go back to your transition color, dab away the powder from the old one, from the old color, and just go on the crease again and kind of blend it out so it becomes a bit lighter. Now once you added two colors, I want to go even darker on the outer parts of the eye. So I'm going to use this one right here, dab the excess powder and just put it really on the outer parts of the eye to add even more dimension. And you want to kind of create like a cat eye effect. So you're just gonna have like an outer V, if that makes sense. So here and then here, and just focus in on that area. It's a beautiful day outside, but I think I'm not gonna go out today. I was doing some stuff for my essays. Well, for my dissertation proposal, which is done now. Exciting times. The submission date is on Wednesday, on the 8th. So it is Wednesday, right? Yeah, it's Wednesday. Once you're done with blending, you're just gonna take a highlight color. I'm gonna use this one at the bottom. I'm gonna dip my brush in a bit of water, and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm adding water so that it looks even more shimmery. It applies better somehow when it's like, if you really have like sparkly eyeshadows, I think with a bit of water on the brush it applies much better. And just try to focus it on the inner corner. We're going to blend it afterwards. This is such a nice color. And it matches my dress that I have on, which you can't see at the moment. Okay, now that we kind of have this highlighting color going on, you want to take this color again and you just want to blend it where the two colors meet. So just in the center of the eye. On the other side as well. So once you're done with your eyeshadows, blending everything away and making sure that both eyes look equal and everything, you're gonna take a purple eyeliner and you're just gonna line your eyes with it. Okay, and now the other eye. What we can do now to kind of blend it even better is you take a brush and you go over the eyeliner. So you blend that as well. Okay, now I'm going to take my mascara, and to be honest you can use falsies as well, but I'm just gonna use mascara and not use any falsies for this look. Okay guys, we made it. We made the eyes pop with our nice purple, and now we're gonna just kind of use foundation and concealer and everything like that. So I'm gonna use my foundation. I'm gonna put it all over my face. And this is more than I would use normally, but for this look, I'm gonna go a bit overboard. Okay, once you're done applying your foundation, you want to use your eyebrow pencil and do your eyebrows. And now that we're done, we're going to apply concealer to the whole face and also carve the eyebrows out, as I like to say. So just apply it wherever you usually apply your concealer. Bit on the forehead. Bit under the eyes. You want to blend this out first. Okay, now you want to take your concealer and just apply it under your eyebrow, on the brow bone. Kind of carve them out. And make them look more defined. So now that we applied the eyeshadow, the concealer, the makeup, we want to use the bronzer. So you're just going to apply it where you usually do, so in the hollows of your cheeks, on the forehead, and on the jawline. I think applying bronzer is almost my favorite step because you can just see how the makeup look comes to life. And kind of just use contouring to bring out your best features and hide the ones that aren't Your favorite? So we're gonna squeeze the brush together. And I'm gonna use it on the sides of the nose. Just like so. So this will create kind of an illusion of a narrow nose, or more narrow. Okay. What you can do is also go over a bit so you look sun-kissed. Once you're done with your bronzer, you want to go in with blush. So you're just going to put it on the apples of your cheeks to even add a bit more color. What you can do as well is go over the nose just a bit. So now what you want to do is highlight. So I'm going to take my highlighter and I'm going to put it on the brow bone and the nose mainly, and on the highest points of my cheeks. So just a bit here, here. And then you want to take like a feather brush for the highest points of your cheeks, like that. And on your Cupid's bow as well. Right guys, I think now we're done. We just need the lipstick. So I'm going to use mine. It's called Color Boost from Essence. And it's really matte, which I love. You don't want to use a too colorful lipstick maybe with this one. So stay in the really nude kind of color palette. Okay guys, I'm all done. This is the final product. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing how I created this look. For the next one, I wanted to bring on my twin brother to see if he can do my makeup, and I don't know, might be surprised, maybe he's really good at it. But yeah, I'm gonna put on a poll on Instagram to see whether you'd like that or something else first, and then maybe in, you know, in my 5th video or something like that, or in my 6th video, I can invite my brother. That would be quite funny. And yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out. It kind of gives me summer vibes and spring vibes. The day outside is beautiful. I'm filming in front of the window, so I get all the light. I don't know if that's good for the video. I hope so. Next time, maybe I'll pick another corner of my bedroom again. But yeah, I really hope you like this look. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And also subscribe to my channel if you want to keep updated with my weekly videos. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.